fucking big ass spiders on my fucking helmet. You guys all right?
We're good. I decided to
get that off.
Oh shit, dude.
Dude, big fucking spider was this big.
We just Tom took off to go back to the pit with other guys, the fast guys.
that's why I have my pack.
I have Gatorade at the car, but
I mix Gatorade and water in here.
That's what I do.
That's a good idea. We'll do that.
I didn't want to get all that.
We were waiting for you at the pit.
Trash mouth.
Yeah, I had hardly any sleep last night. I was so excited. I haven't been here in years.
Oh.
Shevin, you need to take a second.
Yep. Your legs good?
Yeah, you're moving the shoulder. You didn't pop out, right? Yeah. It's hot.
Yeah. It's a fucking wet mess today. I've never seen it this wet before.
Must have rained last night.
Yeah. It's like a fucking ice skating rink.
It's this shoulder that got.
Did he wipe?
Hit the tree.
Oh, I hate when that happens. I've done that. Not here, but up in New York after I went up a 30-foot sand wall.
I almost hit a couple. I grazed them. They
Nope.
come off the whoop and I'm whiskey throttling them on the back. Fucking getting tired.
Yeah, I'm wiped out already. I only did one ride. Dude, last night I didn't realize my boot, the whole sole was off. So I went to Walmart. I got super Gorilla Glue, and I fucking I held it in place 15 minutes, and then all night. And now I got my boots back again.
Looks like it's coming apart.
Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to buy some new boots after this day.
What about Tommy? He's got 3 pairs he's selling.
Yeah, I think his foot size is different from mine. What's foot size is it?
I don't know.
Mine's a 10.
Mine's 9.5, 10.
Worst part is I'm overheating.
Oh, there it goes. Yep. Spoke too soon.
Is there a main trail over here? Yeah, you got right along.
Oh shit.
Alright, we gotta get back. It's hot out, boy. We need to take it easy. It's fucking crazy out right now. Look how that one guy is going in the fucking.
Yeah, I don't want to get him knocked out.